Hello everyone. Welcome to the TechSphere show with Yash Trivedi. I am really delighted to start this show on our channel Textile Sphere. On this platform, I will bring experts from textile industries, young textile engineers, and people from other fields to share their experiences with us. Today, we have with us Miss Aditi Patrabe. Hello Aditi, how are you?
I'm good, Yash. How are you?
I am fine, Aditi. Now, I will give a brief introduction about Miss Aditi Patrabe. Miss Aditi is currently pursuing her BTech in Textile Technology at VJTI. She is final year undergrad batch of 2020 student. She completed her schooling and college from Nagpur. She interned with Reliance in the year 2019 and also she got pre-placement offer from Reliance Industries. Today, we will discuss the textile journey of Miss Aditi and she will take us through the selection process of Reliance Industry. Miss Aditi, my first question to you is what fascinated you to take textile as your career option?
For me, textile was not by choice but by chance. Back then, I chose textile because I had no other choice other than textile. So I took a chance, but now, after 4 years, I feel it is not that bad of a choice because there are many new things to explore in this field with numerous job opportunities in different sectors. I think textile is everywhere. You will find applications of textile in many different sectors, but one can explore these applications only after getting into this field.
Right. My next question to you is how you will describe your textile journey so far?
My journey in the field of textile has been full of ups and downs so far because initially, when I was introduced to this subject, it was completely new with all new concepts. And it was very different from what we had studied before. But now, as I eventually became familiar with the terms and the subject, then it became easy for me to understand. And it is basically a process. So once you understand the process, the concepts become easy and the learning becomes easy.
Right, yeah. Let's talk about the Reliance Industries. How did you manage to get internship at Reliance Industries? Can you please briefly tell us the selection process criteria?
Yes. So Reliance Industries visited our campus for hiring interns, which was when we applied for the internship. So there was a proper selection process for applying for that internship, and the selection process consisted of two stages. First one was the online aptitude test, and the second was
Okay.
personal interview.
Can you please elaborate about the aptitude test? Like what kind of questions were there in the aptitude sections?
Yeah. So the aptitude test of Reliance had two sections. The first section had questions on quant's verbal ability and logical reasoning, followed by second section which had technical questions. So the first section of aptitude test consisted questions based on trains, time, distance, speed, then logical reasoning questions like missing numbers, all these questions. You can find these questions easily on India Bricks. And the second section, that was the technical one, that contained questions which are like based on the basics of textile. So
Okay.
you need to be thorough with the basics of textile for attempting this section. Like, look, you can start from the scratch, that is physical properties, chemical properties of fibers, and manufacturing process and parameters. There are many formulas like production formulas, spindle speed, everything like from basic. So these types of questions are asked in technical part, and the
Okay.
aptitude section had 30 questions for 30 minutes to be solved in 30 minutes, whereas the technical part had 50 questions to be solved in 30 minutes. So total 80 questions in 1 hour.
Okay. Can you please tell us about the interview process in nutshell and what exactly Reliance Industries look while selecting a potential candidate?
So the interviews of the Reliance Industries are taken based on the division in which the internships are offered. So like
Okay.
at my time, we had two separate interviews for two different divisions. And these interviews are completely technical. Like you need to be thorough with the basic concepts, as I said earlier. Like you need to have a very clear idea of the basics concepts like yarn numbering system, then what are the process, machine parameters, testing methods. All these concepts are very important as far as interview is concerned.
Okay.
Again, you have to you need to be aware of the products that the company manufactures, what are the specifications and the basic information about the company. Plus you need to keep in mind what you have done in your previous internships. Also they ask questions based on your resumes and the or the other activities or curricular activities that you have done. So Reliance Industry look for the candidates who are technically sound, that is, they have a good technical knowledge and who are clear with the basic concepts of textiles.
Okay. Please tell us about the post-joining procedures. And also, can you please tell us the insights of your project, like what kind of project you worked on there?
Yeah. So, like, there are no post-joining procedure as such, but they just allot you the project under the guidance of a mentor, and you will start your project accordingly.
Okay.
So, in my project, I had a lot of desk research, and I had to do a thorough study of man-made fibers.
Okay.
As everyone knows, Reliance is associated with the polyester, polypropylene, man-made fibers,
Right.
and then I had to gather a lot of information for which I made calls to various dealers and manufacturers. Also, a site visit was arranged for the same. So it was it was a good exposure to the things, and I got to learn many new things during this internship.
Okay. Thank you so much, Aditi, for your precious time. Hope our viewers found it useful, especially the students, those who are looking forward to work with Reliance Industries. Aditi has mentioned some important points like preparation of aptitude from apps like IndiaBix, etc. Also, if you are going for interview at Reliance, please be thorough with your technical studies. So it was pleasure having you, Aditi, here. Once again, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Dear viewers, stay tuned for more such interviews. Check the description box for the link of this interview in written format. Till then, stay safe and healthy. Thank you. Do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe Textile Spear.